Nawapia bụ Nnamdi Kanu sirapia na o nwere ife o mee kootu kwụsị anya gọọmenti akajiba anya arụ eji m ohere a na-ayọ gọọmenti ka fa rapụ nwa amadi a otu kootu si wee kwu. I call for the immediate and unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and I do so firmly convinced that no nation that holds its people hostage can ever have peace. It is impossible. Because peace is the absence of fear of any kind. Peace is freedom. No nation also that holds the dreams of its citizens to ransom can prosper. I want to say today that we are on a journey. We're moving forward. Ndi Igbo, we will rise. We will rise because it is in our genealogy. Nobody, no force on this earth can hold the Igbo spirit down.